Welcome to this video tutorial on building a simple web editor using HTML, Bootstrap, and ACE.js. In this tutorial, we will walk through the code and concepts behind creating a mini web editor that allows you to write and preview HTML code in real time. The purpose of this project is to provide a user-friendly web-based code editor for quick prototyping and experimenting with HTML code. You'll have a code editor on the left side and a live preview on the right side, making it easier to see how your code changes affect the rendered output. Code overview. Let's start by looking at the HTML code structure. We have an HTML5 doc type declaration, a meta tag for character encoding and viewport settings, and a title element for the web page. Now, we include the Bootstrap CSS framework to help us with the layout and styling of our web editor. We also include ACE.js, which is a powerful code editor library. Project layout. Our web editor is divided into two main columns using Bootstrap's grid system. On the left, we have the code editor section, and on the right, we have the live preview section. Code editor. In the code editor section, we use Bootstrap's card component to create a visually appealing container for our code editor. Inside this card, we embed the ACE code editor by creating a div element with the editor. We set the editor's theme to Monokai for a dark theme, set the font size to 18px, and specify that the language mode is HTML. Live preview. In the live preview section, we use another Bootstrap card component to create a container for the live preview. Inside this card, we embed an iframe element with the id preview. This iframe will display the live preview of the HTML code written in the code editor. JavaScript code. Now, let's dive into the JavaScript code. We initialize an ACE editor instance using the ACE edit method and link it to the editor div. We set the editor's theme, font size, and language mode to match our requirements. Next, we define a function called update preview that retrieves the code from the editor, opens the iframe document, writes the code into it, and closes it. This function ensures that the live preview is updated whenever the editor's content changes. We also add an event listener to the editor to call update preview when the content changes initially and when the user continues to make changes. Conclusion. In conclusion, we've built a simple web editor that provides a user-friendly interface for writing and previewing HTML code in real time. This can be a valuable tool for web developers, designers, and learners to experiment and visualize their code changes. Feel free to customize the project further, add more features, or adapt it to your specific needs. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in understanding how to create a mini web editor using HTML, Bootstrap, and ACE.js. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!